Hey y'all, so I did not vlog today for day 6 of Vlogmas. Earlier I was cleaning out the front yard and I didn't want to film it because it was the same thing we did for day 5. So I didn't know if you guys wanted to see that again or whatever, but yeah, I didn't film it. And I just twisted my hair. Well, I'm deep conditioning my hair, so I did that and I didn't film it because I was slushy and I was in the tub for like 2 hours, as I always am, and I just wanted to be left alone. So I didn't vlog nothing today. Like, yeah, so I don't know, I'm just gonna sit here and talk because I want to get a video out, and for day 6 I don't want to miss any days, so I'm just gonna talk. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I decided to get up because I am going to get my things ready for tomorrow because I don't want to be rushing and having to do a whole bunch of prep tomorrow. So I'm going to wash what I need to wash and get what I need to get ready. I'm going to a PJ party tomorrow, so hopefully that is fun and I can show you all a little bit of my wild side. I think I'm gonna use this one, or should I use this one? Out. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one because it's thicker, and I don't know if the Airbnb we're going, if it's gonna be cold or if it's gonna be hot. I don't know, but I wanted to be prepared for the worst. Okay. So I had to go put my sweater on because it is cold in my house, but I put my blanket in the washer. Chance woke up, so now we're about to get some to eat. I think, no, don't touch that because you're gonna break it. But I think I'm going to make me another burger. Another burger. Another burger.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing.
Why you being shy? Sing it. Sing it. Whoa. Whoa. So we ate. I took my blanket out of the washer, and now we're just chilling, watching Disney Channel until I guess we get tired. Chance woke up, so he probably be up for another couple of hours because he went to bed he went to bed like 10, then he woke up at 12. Well, 2, honestly. But yeah, Jordan over there looked like he already going to sleep, so that's the night. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Woo-hoo.